Kevin Wyndham, firstly, it was great to see you could extend your stay. Tell us a little bit about what you did through the week.
Well, we tried to do as much as we could in Sydney. We spent some time on the harbour in a friend's boat, and we did the bridge climb, went to the opera, hung out on the beach. We did as much as we can. We actually saw whales, which was really exciting for us, especially unexpectedly being on a sailboat. So we had a busy week. We stayed as busy as we could, did as much as we can, and glad to be back at a race and starting to settle down and stay focused on trying to get another win while I'm here in Australia.
And to the serious side, tonight is a survival format. How are you feeling about this one?
Well, once again, we have a little bit of rain in the forecast, which has we got lucky in Canberra, was able to still have a good racetrack. We'll see what happens here. As if running a new schedule in Australia isn't enough, now we get to do it in the potential of rain. So rain throws another ugly mix into Super X, but we'll try to do whatever we can with however well the track is able to stay through the night.
And lastly, do you think you'll be back next year?
Oh, for sure. I've had a great time, and we're actually already talking about next year and Super X and coming down to Australia. Lucky for me, I have a 2-year deal going with the Geico Power Sports Honda team, and that makes next off-season really good for me, and we should be free to come down and to run races down here. So looking forward to it, and I've had a blast this year. Look forward to more racing to come in Australia.
Well, we've certainly enjoyed having you, and I hope you go well tonight.
Thanks a lot.